now you don't have to be a web designer to create your own website. Here is how you can create an eye-catching website for yourself. Stay tuned. Today, I'm going to show you how to create your own website using Wix. Wix is a beginner-friendly website builder that allows you to create a professional website without coding. Yes, you don't have to know coding for you to create your own website. Whether it's for your small business or for your portfolio, I will guide you through step by step on how to create an account and publish your site live. Let's go. Head over to your browser and type wix.com, and this is the website you are going to see. Click on Get Started for free, and you will need to sign up with an email, your Google account, or Facebook. Wix is going to ask if you are creating the website for yourself or for your clients, and if you are creating it for yourself, click on For Myself. You will see AI chat assistant pop up right away, and you can choose to let the AI guide you step by step as you build the website, or you can start customizing it on your own. Let's say your line of business is virtual assistant, and it will ask you what is the name of your business or website. You can say the name of your business is let's say XYZ. That's the name of your company, and you can choose to end the chat, or you can continue to let the AI guide you. When you end the chat, it's going to take you to your dashboard, and this is where you need to set up everything about your account. You can even set a customized domain name, even your payment method and all that. But for the purpose of this video, let's go to design your website. You can choose to customize your own website, or you can let AI generate a design for you. When you click on customize a template, it will bring you to this page where there are so many templates for you to choose from. Guys, please remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel. You can also share it to your friends. So you can just check the type of design you want by clicking on view to view the templates. Just go through the design, go through it step by step, and if it's not the type of design you want, you can just click on back to templates, and it will take you back to where the templates are. Okay, let's select one template that we can work with and view. I think this template is okay, so we go ahead and edit this template. When you click on edit this site, please don't forget to edit on a desktop view and not a mobile view. This is because you can easily switch to a mobile view and do slight adjustments, and it won't affect the desktop view. But when you edit from your mobile and you want to do adjustments from your desktop view, it's going to scatter the whole design on the desktop view. To edit this template, you can just go through quick edit, and we change the name Julia Clark to the name of our company, XYZ. We change her profession from home organizer to virtual assistant. You can connect your social media account to this website. Just click on set link, and it brings you to where you will add the link to your Facebook or your LinkedIn or Twitter, and when you are done, you click on done. If you want to edit the write-up, we can just click on it, double click, and write whatever that suits your style or your business, or you can just tell AI to help you generate idea. Just write maybe welcome session or anything, and AI is going to help you generate a write-up or whatever that suits your style. But I think this write-up is really cool for a virtual assistant. Simplify your life, focus your mind. It's really cool, and because we initially wrote that our business is virtual assistants, Wix is going to be bringing a tailored template under virtual assistants for us. If you want to change the image of the frame, you can click on change background and select an image you prefer, or you can even select it from your computer. That's if you already have maybe a brand color or any style, any picture that suits your business. Next is the get to know us frame. At XYZ, we're dedicated to providing top-notch blah blah blah. You will see that this is already tailored to our name because we said we are virtual assistant. So if you don't like the get to know, if you don't like the write-up, you can just edit it like we said, double click and edit, and write whatever you want to write in this section. Next is our services, and of course email management, schedule coordination, content creation, and all that has to do with virtual assistant. But you can always go to your services and add the service you render, and it will appear here. The next one is the certified client testimonials. Yeah, you can decide to add your work experience or samples of your work. For a virtual assistant, you can decide to add screenshots of the email you manage, your calendar, or any project you handled. We can rename this section from client testimonials to work samples since it's about our experience and the project we have handled. Then if you want to add a picture of your work samples to this frame, just click on manage media, add either image or video. It will take you to your computer where you can add a screenshot or a video of your work experience or work samples. And when you are done with adding, click on add to page and done. And you will see the picture will be added to the work samples frame. And this is the same way if you want to delete any image from this frame. Just click on manage media, check the number and click on delete. When you are done, click on done and it will be deleted from the frame. For your client testimonials, you can just copy from your LinkedIn or from any platform you work with. Just double click and paste and add the person's name to each section. The next one is the add form section. First of all, let's delete this footer because it's not necessary for our website, but you can also decide to replace it with something else of choice. And to add form to this session, just double click on it and it will take you to your dashboard. This is where your customers can maybe leave their request for you or a comment, a booking page rather. So click on it, add your name, first name, and make it required, first name, last name, your email, and maybe a long answer, what they want you to do, what their request is. And when you are done, click on save. So our website is coming at night, and the search bars at the left hand side has a lot of features for you to explore. It has the elements, features, and even a section. If you want to add a section to this place, just click on the section side and you see your welcome, about, and all that. Let's say you want to add a welcome page to this website. Click on it and it will add to it. Like I said before, you can always double click to write your text, or you can tell AI to help you draft a welcome introduction or a welcome text. When you click on AI text creator, this is what will come out. AI is going to help you draft a text, and you can decide to change it if it's not what you want. You can rephrase, you can make it shorter, even make it more professional, change the tone. When you feel okay with what the AI has written, just click on use text and it's going to appear in your welcome section, and that's it. You can also change the background of this section, and you can even add animation to the text to make it feel more inviting. Let's add our contact details to this website to make it more professional. Click on contact and select the style you want to add. You can move a section up and down by clicking on the section and moving it from the arrow at the right hand side. And you can also edit by double clicking and writing your phone number, your email, XYZ, blah blah blah, and then your social media handles. Click on it and add a link to your social media to this page. When you are done, click on save. You can also set your availability by going to Wix bookings. Click on get booked online and set your availability. You can connect your payment method, and you can even add the services you render to this page. When you are done editing your website, you can check how it is on your mobile view, and you can do slight adjustments if you want to. If you want to preview your website to check what you have been doing so far or how your website is going to look, just click on preview and it's going to take you to this place. You will see what your website looks like, and if you have any adjustments or you feel that something is not supposed to be there, you click on back to editor and go back to the editing mode. When you are done and you are satisfied with your work, click on publish and publish your website live. And that is it, guys. Try it and you have a fully functional website created with Wix. Let me know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.